Okay, so we just checked into the Sofitel Hotel in Munich on, I don't know, Bayerstraud. It's right across from the train station. This is the superior room, something about like relaxation and literature. I don't know. Anyways, it has kind of a weird name. When you walk in, it has a big mirror. Sorry, there's Ryan. Clear, pretty like open, gotta be friendly, definitely couples bathroom. Get a couple of bathrobes up here. Pretty big tub. I will be honest, everything is diptyque, which is sick, and it's fig, which is sicker. Nice little vanity area, actually, really cute. Love one of these, like always. Shower is in here, more diptyque, all in fig, which is just like pure class. Kind of nice shower head. It has like a full, what is this called? A waterfall. It's pretty sweet. Okay, and then this glass door slides. Has some hooks, love a hook. Toilet is in here. It looks like it has like some features, that's sweet. And then if you go this way, little coffee maker, a kettle, some fun chairs. Listen, I'm gonna sit in that. And this one, particularly cool, not gonna lie. We are looking at literally nothing, just the atrium. We're really balled out. But I mean, hey, listen, the sun is nice, has some window coverings, has this little seat. Maybe this is where you're supposed to read your literature or whatevs. We have a king size, sorry, obviously somebody's already laid in it. Or two twins pushed together. I actually have no concept of this. But overall, pretty cute. Like, not huge, obviously, but like not bad. Okay, that's the review of the room. Bye.